Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I will show you how to install iOS developer beta ROMs on any iPhone devices very easily. So, without any further more delay, let's begin. So, first process, I will show directly how you can install iOS developer beta ROMs just by using your iPhone devices. And the second process I'll be showing you is using the computer and iPhone devices. So let's begin. So what you need to do is first you need to open Safari web browser. Then you need to go to this website, as you can see, betterprofiles.com. Just log into this website. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click and check this website. So once you log into this website, just scroll down below. As you can see here, iOS beta profiles. So if you're using an iPhone, then you select for iPhone. If you're using a iWatch or iPads, then or TV OS, then different options are there for download. So here I will be showing just for the iPhone devices. So you can see here the download options. So you need to tap on the download. And click allow. So profile downloaded. Review the profile in the settings. So you need to go to the settings. Just go to the settings. And you can see here profile downloaded. And you can click on install and type the password. Now you can see here. Now click install. Now it's done. So once you install this iOS beta profile, you need to restart your iPhone devices. But as I've already installed this iOS beta profile, so I'm not going to restart. So you restart it. And once you restart, what you need to do is you go to the settings and go to general. If you're going to general, you can see here software update. Just tap on it. So here you can see iOS 13.5 developer beta 3 is available right now for you to install. So in this way you can install directly any developer beta ROMs even though you are using a stable iOS ROMs in your iPhone devices. So in this way you can easily install any developer beta ROMs in your iPhone devices. So now in the second process, we'll use the Windows computer and our iPhone devices. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open any web browser and go to this website. You first download this software in your Windows computer. I'll be providing this software's download link in the video description, so you can click there and download this software. So you download it. Yes, I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do. So you download it, and the good thing about this software is totally free of cost. So you download and install it. Once you download and install it, you need to do one more thing. You need to go again to this website, betterprofiles.com. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you click on it and you can directly log into this website. And so once you log into this website, you can see this web page, and here you can see different beta ROMs available for different Apple devices, but right now we'll be just showing you about the iPhone device. So you can see here this is for iOS. So you can see here in the earlier two we have used the websites, but we have clicked on the download. But now in this process you have to click on the IPSW. Just click on it, and you can see here the different device and their download ROMs. So right now I'm using an iPhone SE second generation. So what you need to do, you need to click on download. So if you're using different iPhone devices, so you can see different iPhone devices depending upon needs. So you can choose your different iPhone models and download. Click on the download. So I'll be using this iPhone SE, and I'll click on download. Wait for a few seconds until you get a pop-up message, you can see, and click on OK. But I'm not going to do, as I've already downloaded and installed it in my iPhone SE. So you download your respective beta ROMs in your computer, and once you have downloaded the respective beta ROMs, close the web browser. Now open the 3U tool software which you have downloaded and installed earlier. So opening the software for the first time, it will ask you to connect your iPhone devices with your using your data cables. So you connect your iPhone using your lightning cable. So once it's connected, you can see its details, that is the complete details of your iPhone devices in your PC itself. So I'll not go much details about this software. So I'll go directly to the option, as you can see here, a flash and jailbreak. Just click on it, and you can see here different beta ROMs and even the stable ROMs which are available for download. So you can directly download those beta ROMs using this software. Say if you want the latest beta ROMs, then you can use the latest beta ROMs and click on download, and it will start downloading using this software. But I would highly recommend you to download from the official website which I have given you earlier. Then you can do that process and click on import, which you have downloaded the beta ROMs, and you can select that IPSW ROMs and click open, and it will decrypt the file and it will show you ready to flash. But before proceeding further, I would like to let you know that there is some options you can see in the below. So if you don't want to lose your data, then you can select this retain user data. Then it will not erase your any data which you have right now in your iPhone devices. So don't forget to select this retain user data before going to flash those beta ROMs or any kind of stable ROMs using this software. So must remember this before proceeding to, if you want to retain your datas in your iPhone. So once you click on this and click on flash and wait for a minutes until the installation gets complete, and once done you can unplug your lightning cable from your computer, and there it goes. In this way you can install very easily using your computer and your iPhone devices. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.